Hi guys, welcome back for another motivational cleaning video for working moms. In today's video, I'm going to be focusing on cleaning our upstairs, tackling both of the bedrooms, cleaning the bathroom, as well as cleaning the hallway. There were some scuff marks all over the walls. Riley, I feel like, is in the phase of marking up the walls, so I'm going to go in with the Mr. Magic Eraser, which you guys will see later on in the video. And then I'm also going to get some much needed laundry done as well. So I hope you guys get tons of cleaning motivation out of this video. And also please remember to subscribe before you leave. Before we get any more cleaning done, today I have double the cleaning motivation for you because it's in collaboration with Mandy from Hey It's Mandy. She shares similar content to mine from cleaning and organizational videos, decorate with me's, and what's for dinner videos. She is such a sweetheart with an adorable dog named Bodhi who loves to follow her around as she cleans her home. Make sure to go check her out once you have finished watching my video. You guys are absolutely going to love her. I will have Mandy's channel linked down below, so definitely make sure to go check her out once you are done watching this video. And if you guys are heading over from Mandy's channel or you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. My name is Nia and I'm a working mom who shares real life everyday messes. So if you guys enjoy tons of cleaning motivation, then please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and also make sure to introduce yourself in the comments so I can personally say hi. I really wanted to focus on the hallway just because it is a high traffic area, so I wanted to make sure that I pulled up the runners so I can vacuum underneath there. And then I'm also going to be using the Swiffer to mop the floor. On the wall, there were some scuff marks, so I went in with the Mr. Magic eraser to try and get that off. I feel like it's to the point where I probably just need to completely repaint the entire hallway, but I wanted to get off as many scuffs as possible. And then there were a couple of like pen marks from Riley drawing on the wall, so I was also able to get that off as well. So by the time I had gotten to Riley's room, it was so close to nap time and I just was not even able to finish. We had a little bit of a meltdown, so I just did what I could and then I just put her down for a nap and finished doing the rest of my cleaning.
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. The night is young. We do it on repeat.
I'm going to use this Clorox bleach to line the bottom of the tub. This is where a lot of like the moisture and water seeps in, so it could really kind of like get a little bit mildewy, so I really want to just bleach that area. And then I'm going to clean the rest of the bathroom while that sits for about 15-20 minutes.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
To clean the tub, I'm going to use this fantastic all-purpose cleaner with bleach, and for some reason I was having a little bit of trouble with the actual spray bottle, so I'm going to go in with the Dollar Tree brush, which you see to the right. I just poured it in there and then I just scrub the entire tub.